Okay, here we are at problem number 6, same exact worksheet. Hopefully I'll remember to attach it. We've got an amplitude of 3. Oops. 3. The period is the parent function period divided by b. In this case, b is pi. So when I take pi and I put it over pi, what am I going to get? It's just 1. And then I take that and cut it into fourths. The unit that we're going to be counting by is 1/4. So let me go ahead and put that on my graph, just so I know. Phase shift. I'm going to set my parentheses equal to 0. Okay, from here, I'm isolating the x, and I divide by pi. Those pi's are going to cancel. And so x is just going to be 1/2. Is everybody okay with that? Okay, so x equals 1/2. And it's positive, right? Positive. What am I doing? Vertical shift -2. So I'll go ahead and draw in that midline first. -2. Okay, phase shift, we're going right because it's plus 1/2, and we're counting in fourths. So it's 1/4, 2/4, and then we're going down 2. So our new 0, 0 is right here. There's no reflection because that leading coefficient is positive, but we do have an amplitude of 3. So from there, I'm going to go over 1, up 1, 2, 3. Left 1, 2, 3. That's good. I should circle my starting point so we don't get confused. There we go. From there, before I draw my graph, I'm going to draw my asymptotes, because the next unit over after that high point is going to be an asymptote. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Draw the graph in. It's got to be approaching the asymptotes. Drawing the rest of those points. Good enough. Okay, the domain, we notice the first asymptote is right at 0. So to get to the next one, it's at 1 full period. In this case, the period is 1. So it's just 1 times k. X can't be 1 times k, because k can be 1, 2, 3, 4. So x cannot be 1 times k, and we're not going to write 1 times k. We're just going to write k, because that's where all the asymptotes are at. Range -infinity to +infinity.